The Industrial Revolution, which began in the late 18th century, was a period of major transformation in Europe and North America. It marked the transition from agrarian societies to industrialized, urban ones, fundamentally changing the economy, technology, and society. Key phases and innovations. 1. Early beginnings, late 1700s, textile industry. The revolution began in Britain's textile industry with innovations like the spinning jenny, water frame, and power loom, which increased production efficiency. Steam engine. James Watt's improvements to the steam engine around 1769 played a crucial role, providing a reliable power source for factories and transportation. 2. Expansion. Early to mid-1800s, iron and steel. Advances in iron production, such as Henry Court's puddling process, and the development of the Bessemer process for steelmaking, fueled the growth of railroads, bridges, and machinery. Transportation. The steam locomotive and steamship revolutionized transportation, enabling faster movement of goods and people. Railroads expanded rapidly, connecting cities and industrial centers. Urbanization. As factories grew, people moved from rural areas to cities in search of work, leading to rapid urbanization and the development of industrial cities like Manchester and Birmingham. 3. Later developments, late 1800s to early 1900s. Electricity. The introduction of electricity in the late 19th century further transformed industry and everyday life. Electric power enabled more flexible factory layouts and the development of new machines. Chemical industry. The chemical industry expanded, producing fertilizers, dyes, and other products. This period also saw the rise of the pharmaceutical industry. Communication. Innovations in communication, such as the telegraph and later the telephone, connected distant regions and facilitated the coordination of industrial operations. Social and economic impacts, labor and working conditions. The Industrial Revolution led to the creation of factory jobs, but also harsh working conditions, including long hours, low wages, and unsafe environments. This eventually spurred labor movements and the rise of trade unions. Child labor. Many factories employed children, often in dangerous conditions, which led to social reform movements and changes in labor laws. Economic growth. The revolution spurred economic growth and increased productivity, leading to the rise of capitalism and a modern industrial economy. Class structure. It also reshaped society, creating a distinct working class and contributing to the rise of the middle class. With factory owners and entrepreneurs gaining significant wealth. Global impact. Colonialism and global trade. The demand for raw materials and new markets led to the expansion of European colonial empires, particularly in Africa and Asia, influencing global trade patterns. Spread of industrialization. The revolution spread beyond Britain to other parts of Europe, North America, and eventually the rest of the world, with each region adapting industrial methods to their local conditions. Conclusion. The Industrial Revolution was a turning point in human history, setting the stage for the modern world. It brought about profound changes in how people lived, worked, and interacted with one another, laying the foundations for the technological advancements and economic systems we experience today.